Hello, I'm Dean Lohman with Heaven's Reach Ministries. Thank you for your prayers and support. We started in 2004 with a short-term mission trip, hiking in the mountains. We moved to Honduras in 2006 to show, teach, and release God's love to the world through education, medicine, and agriculture, to open the door to discipleship and plant churches. We helped the public hospital with medical supplies and equipment, opening the door to the community and developing key relationships, opening the doors for ministry. We teach nutrition, give seeds, baby packs, mother packs, then minister to the mothers from the mountains. We reach into the public schools with discipleship and saw 120 students come to Christ just in one school alone. We teach agriculture to the farmers with limited resources so they have more to eat. I just got back from the Ukraine. I spent a month over there and we traveled over 4,000 miles. We spoke in 16 churches, 5 pastor conferences, spoke in 2 gypsy churches. We had 3 strategic outreach meetings with pastors, leaders, and church planters. We ministered in 7 villages. We handed out food and ministered in 2 Ukrainian villages that were destroyed and 2 presidents of Christian medical associations. We saw devastation in 4 Ukraine cities and 5 Ukraine villages. We met and ministered with a brigadier general, 5 colonels, 2 mayors, 3 community medical administrators, 7 doctors, 2 dentists, 5 church fellowship leaders, 12 church planters, a parliament officer, and countless community leaders and church leaders. We met with nonprofits and saw 2 clinics, and we planned for future shipments and ministry. Thank you for your prayers and support that helped us go on this trip, that helps us continue in Honduras, and now we'll be starting what we're doing in Honduras in Eastern Europe. God bless you all.